fuck.
Oh, Jesus.
Good save. Every time I join the Don's custom games, my views go up just a little bit. It's always the weirdest shit.
Don't hit me, don't hit me.
Worst
I don't see any doors open. I don't see any doors open.
Really? No one took this place?
Take off my shoes.
Yep.
I need a first aid. Found one.
Right off the hill.
Looking for a sniper rifle or a fucking DMR. I think I just found it. Yeah, it's a QBU, but I'll fucking take it, I guess. I got a AR compensator.
Can you hold it?
Yep. God damn it. I'm gonna start boosting now. We gotta go. Let's go.
Okay, give me 1 second, I'm boosting. You wanna go see if we can find a boat?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
You can drop that compensator.
Okay.
If you do find any grips though.
Oh my god, a lightweight I can give you.
Perfect.
It's gonna hurt a little bit. We could have gone docks, bro. Look at this circle.
I know, I was just looking at that. I was like, fuck, we would have been so... But we wouldn't be this looted, though.
No. Yeah, we would at docks. Docks is considered a high loot area.
Oh, I know, but I mean, this is... We're looted up from 3 different spots.
Yeah. Just hoping that one of these shacks is gonna have a fucking... You need a 4X?
Ow.
Yeah, it hurts a little bit.
That's shot low.
Yeah. I'm popping pillies. You said I can drop that compensator?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want that, the grip.
Okay.
For my SKS, baby.
Dropping right here. How many smokes and grenades do you have?
1 frag, 2 smoke.
Okay.
I accidentally dropped my smoke in my grenade. Let's cross down here.
I was just looking to see if there was a jet ski or something over here.
Fuck yeah, land bridge. Then we can take that hill up there with that compound. Good job, Des.
There's still 8 people alive, which means no one's died yet.
Yeah, but we did all drop kind of super fucking bread.
Yeah, but Paradise and Boot Camp should be running into each other soon.
Yeah.
Come on, son, what are you gonna do to me? Not bad. Okay, I'm going into this compound. Wanna push down into docks, bro?
Yeah. I was just gonna say, do you want to just go take
Yeah,
it off?
I would love to right now. Let's go. Because it's not too hard to rotate out of either.
You said that's the hardest. Oh well.
No, yeah, if the circle's there. Like, I'm saying like small circles and stuff like that, there's enough places to move and...
Yeah.
And then,
It's gonna be a bloodbath at the end. I'm just gonna start seeing names
Checking.
drop.
I'm checking down there at docks right now, see if anybody's down there. Crates out in the fucking water.
There's a boat right here too.
Yeah, but I don't want to draw attention.
Last thing I need to be fully kitted out. Gun
I need
rifle,
tax.
cheap pad.
I need a tax stock.
Okay.
Is that a car 9 right there? It is. There's someone here.
Hmm?
I could have sworn I just heard someone here.
I didn't hear anything.
It sounded like someone shifted.